This is real, unfiltered footage. No commentary or replays, just the instant when everything goes wrong and the ground rushes up. The camera holds steady as the crowd gasps and then comes impact. Watch closely and remember that in aviation, tiny mistakes carry huge consequences. Viewer discretion advised. On March 12, 2018, US-Bangla Airlines Flight 211 crashed while landing at Kathmandu's Tribhuvan International Airport in Nepal. 71 people were on board. 51 were killed and 20 survived. Pembroke Pines, Florida, March 15, 2021. Moments after takeoff from North Perry Airport, a Beechcraft B-36TC loses power and drops towards a residential street.
Avioneta.
January 5th, 2014, Aspen, Colorado. A Bombardier Challenger 600 comes into land with winds 290 degrees at 19 knots, gusting 25. The jet strikes the runway and flips inverted. One person is killed and 2 are seriously injured. September 11th, 2020. Van Nuys, California. A Ryan Navion B N37C crashes into a parking lot seconds after takeoff from Van Nuys Airport. The aircraft is destroyed, and both occupants are fatally injured.
Jet-85, ready to go, big left. Jet-85, ready to go, come back to big left.
Exit 5 and contact with the hold short 16 right at Papa.
Hold short 16 right at Papa,
Heavy call, I'm going to stand on that speaking.
Turn that clearly, so ready to taxi to left.
Call from clearly speaking.
Bullshit 969 with Grumman, ready to taxi to back, play racing.
969 with Grumman, and scanner, and try taxi to Roll Short, hold short 116 plus.
Bravo Charlie, 165, rest of the night with Grumman. Yeah. Right, so number 265, make it a full stop if you can. Thank you for dispatch, let the tank for Juliet, on ground point 7. Number 0, Mike Echo, we need to make a full stop, and we have 16 right, clear to land. Full stop, 16 right, clear to land.
A Medevac helicopter crashes onto Highway 50 in Sacramento on October 6, 2025, coming to rest inverted as motorists rush to help. 3 crew members are critically injured. No drivers hurt. The cause is under investigation. Salvador, Brazil. During a coastal presentation at Farol de Barra, a display aircraft drops out of a low turn and impacts near the waterfront. The pilot is fatally injured as spectators scatter and first responders rush in.
Oxe. Porra, essa caiu na água? Caiu na água.
Turin, Italy. During a display departure, a Frecce Tricolori Imbil 339 drops out of the climb and the pilot ejects. A Beechcraft B-200 on a medical flight banks too low over Akureyri. The nose dips, the ground rushes up, and the mission ends.
Is he going to turn and go along there?
Imbil, Queensland, June 13th, 2022. Minutes after buying a Jabiru UL450, the engine cuts out. He dead sticks into a field, the plane flips on rollout, and the pilot walks away uninjured. Jundiaí, Brazil, April 20th, 2012. Minutes into a post-maintenance test flight, a Beech C-90A turns back. After a brief emergency call, the right wing stalls in the base to final. The aircraft snaps over and slams into the ground about 180 meters short, erupting in fire. The pilot is killed. Long Beach, September 18th, 2014. Minutes after takeoff, JetBlue Flight 1416 reports an engine fire. Smoke floods the cabin. Masks drop. And the A320 returns for an emergency landing. Slides deploy and firefighters move in. Several passengers are treated for smoke inhalation. everyone survives.
We'll be pushing the door out. Keep everybody out. We're all good. You're gonna want to clear all this stuff out. Make sure you got room.
Newcastle, Australia, May 13th, 2024. A Beechcraft B200 Super King Air VH-XDV circles with a gear issue, then settles in for a wheels-up landing, skimming the runway in a shower of sparks, before sliding to a stop as crews rush in.
Jesus Christ, okay? Yeah.
Denver, March 14th, 2015. United Express Flight 4870, a Republic Airlines Q400 bound for Kansas City, blows a tire on takeoff. The crew circles to burn fuel and lands safely back at DEN, with passengers deplaned and no injuries. Sarasota, Bradenton, Florida, April 28, 2017. An IAI 1124 Westwind N4WG returns with a landing gear malfunction and commits to a partial gear landing. The crew holds the wing off, then sets it down in a ribbon of sparks. The jet slides to a stop, and everyone walks away. Just off the shoreline, a light aircraft ditches into the surf. The pilot breaks free and is pulled to shore by beachgoers as first responders take over.